Hello everyone. So in our today's video, we will talk about some isolating rows or column and all that things. Okay. So basically here you all can see first line. Obviously now it is already clear that why we are writing first line import pandas as PD, and we are reading one Excel file that is nifty 50 underscore data. Okay. So I have some statements in comment section. So let me remove the first comment. So what is the meaning of the first comment? Suppose if you are interested in displaying only one column or maybe two columns or whichever two columns you want. Okay. So using print, using df, that is our data frame variable, you can write the column name. See here. Uh, like this is our database where we have a open, high, low, close. All these options are available. Suppose if I write Control S and F5. So you can see here output is open and only the high. And same way if you want, we can change also. For example, if you want a low, okay, and F5. Okay, now it is open and low. And suppose if you want only open, still it is fine. Okay. Okay, only one column, Control S, F5. See, you all can see. Okay, and it is one more thing, providing the length. Total length is 7884, because it is also very useful when we will talk about LOC, that is locate, and ILOC, that is integer locate, because that time we have to enter a specific or specified length actually. Now let me remove the second comment also. Okay, Control S, print df, and df dot index equal to what? 0. So it will give you only the first row. So Control S and F5. See here, it will show you only the first row data of all the columns, but only the first row. If you want, you can change also, like 5. Control S, F5. See here, it is showing that the fifth row data and everything. This is our previous output. This part is because of that line is already there. Okay, but this is nothing but it will give you the specified row. But suppose you want but range, like row from second row to 10th row or something like that, then Control S and F5. See, this was the output of that index equal to 5. But after that, it is about all about the range from 2 to 10. It is 2 at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is using this command range function and 2 comma 10. So if index is in within this range, it should display all the values of all the columns. Then I think in my previous video we talk about this also, that how to copy your data frame variable into another data frame variable, so that if we want to do any kind of editing, then we can do that editing part in df2, and we will keep df as it is only. So here what we are doing is, if what we are doing is, we would like to display only those values whose value is greater than 18,000 in the open column. Okay, so df2, that is the first one, and inside that df2 dot open, if the value is greater than 18,000, then only it should display. Okay, so F5. See, focus on the last part. This one, in open column, every value is greater than 18,000. It will display only those values. That's why it is showing total 64 rows into how many columns? 5 columns. Okay, so later on we will talk all about visualization. Yes, that is also very important. How to display a bar chart or line chart using this pandas, as well as we require one more package, that is matplotlib. Okay, and also you all know how to download package like numpy, matplotlib using the command prompt. Easily you all can download also. Okay, and then later on, obviously, before that, actually not later on, before that we will talk about the locate and I locate in my next video. So thank you everyone.